Near a beautiful village, in green and fertile fields, there lived a little boy. Every evening, he came to play near the fields. One day, he saw a white rabbit behind the bushes. The rabbit was injured. The boy gently picked it up and took it to his home. He cleaned the rabbit's wounds and gave it food. Within a few days, the rabbit became healthy again, but it did not leave the boy. Now the boy and the rabbit played together every day. Whenever the boy felt sad, the rabbit would come and jump around happily, making the boy laugh. The rabbit also felt safe and happy with the boy. One day, the boy lost his way in the forest. He became scared and started crying. The rabbit quickly ran ahead and showed the boy the right path. In this way, both of them reached home safely. From that day on, the boy understood that true friendship does not exist only among humans, but also among animals. The boy and the rabbit remained best friends forever.